Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. Yeah, we are on a live chat right now. We are on the Crash 300, and I gave this trade out to my VIPs. Can see here. I told them to buy the C300 with small lot and stay close. All right, so we are in profit already. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to scalp with this strategy. It's a very interesting strategy. I mean, it works perfectly well, and yeah, we are winning already on the VIP, and it's a very good morning. So here is the jump 100. Here is just me waiting for the price to get to that level before I give the trade. Of course, more trades are coming. So let's jump to the crash 300, of course, which I'm in the trade, and my TP is around this axis. This is where I told him to take profit from. Of course, here is a very good place to be our TP, but that is not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you how to scalp effectively the way I'm doing and stay in profit. So I'm going to show you the indicators I use. Of course, the indicators I'm going to be using is going to be the moving average and also the fractals. Those are the two indicators I'm going to be using. I've made this video before, and now I'm now modifying it so you guys can see that it works perfectly. So I'm going to be adding the fractals and also adding the moving average. Of course, I'm going to show you the settings for the moving average which you are going to apply. Of course, I'm going to show you the settings, but first you have to know that this works on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this works on the 5 minutes time frame. And also, you should also know that I didn't just depend fully on the signals or sorry, on the indicators. I also added a bit of price action, knowing where the market is going to and all of that. Price action is the key to every trading. That's what I use, and also patience pays. I've been on this trade for hours waiting for it to get to the level which is got to. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You see this? I had to wait for a very long time for the market to get to this level. Of course, okay, there has been a spike there, but the spike hasn't even gotten to any. Let's see, was that a spike for us? Okay, yeah, that was a spike, but it hasn't gotten to our entry level. We are still in profit. So this is a very short trade, and of course I gave it to my VIPs as you can see, and we are still cashing out. Of course, we are close to our TP. That's why, but we are still going to hold on to it. But before I go further, as I was saying, you see this, my price action is already in motion because I have all these settled out already. This is a downtrend here, but you also have to notice that you have to play with your time frames. Of course, if I should drag this line here, oh sorry, I touched the wrong one. If I should drag this line here down here, you see that it has broken the trend that was here. It has broken the trend and it's buying. That's why we have this other line, this other line going up this way. You can see that, of course. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how this works. That was me showing you, hey, that I'm using price action to trade. I'm using price action to trade. So now you see that we are already on this trade and we are massive profit. Now this works effectively on the 5 minutes time frame, as I said earlier. Excuse me. This works effectively on the 5 minutes, as I said earlier. But you have to go to the higher time frame to determine where the market is going. Is it a downtrend? Is it an uptrend? Is it ranging and all of that? So you have to know all this. Put all of this into place before you go into your trade. So now that I've done this, I've seen there is a downtrend. It has broken the trend of which I drew, and I now suppose that it's going to be buying. Of course, it's going to be buying to a certain level. We are already in profit, don't forget that. So now let's go on to the next one. After determining, you have determined all these things, you now go to the 5 minutes time frame to look for entry levels. After you've seen all this, you look for entry levels. That's while using the price action still, but also while using the fractal. One thing you should determine, you should know that is this fractal that is going to serve as our support and as our resistance. Of course, it's going to serve as our support and as our resistance. Now, how did I know when to get into this market? Let me show you something. Here is where the market got to last, and that is where our trend line crossed. So the market got here last and created a fractal here. Now the fractal you are going to be looking for is going to, if you want to scalp, is the fractal that is going like this is the crash 300. So we are going to be looking at fractals up here, up, like the fractals up, not the ones below. Okay, so now I saw this fractal here. Here is supposed to be a resistance, but being that, as I said, it's going to that this fractal serve as our support and as our resistance. So when it got to this level here, I now saw that it broke this level, like it broke the resistance and gave us a candle. That's when I now got into this market, knowing that it has broken that resistance. Of course, it's a scalping market, so it's just for you to get into it, catch a few candlesticks and get out of it. Of course, you've seen, that's when I now gave it to my VIPs. That's when I was now really sure, hey, that this market is a buying market that is going to buy. Although I've been in the trade already, because my account size is, the equity is big enough to carry this. So I've been in this trade already and it gave me massive profit. So I was waiting for it to cross this place first, to cross this fractal first before I give the trade. So now let's backtest this. I'm going to take you back and show you another example. Now here is another one here. Here is where the market stopped, and here is where the last fractal was created. Of course, if you are using price action, you will be able to determine the time to get into this trade. Here already is like a support. Excuse me. Let me put a line there. Here already is like a support. So by the time you notice that the market has gotten to this level, that's using price. If you're using price action, you will now know, hey, it's time for me to look out for a buying opportunity, because anytime the market gets here, there is always a retracement back up, like the market buys. So now here is one. When the market got to this level, it bought and crossed this fractal. Immediately crossed this fractal, it started going up, down, up till it went to this level where it returned and gave us this other fractal before it started buying. And as you can see, it has passed this level. Once it passes this level, you go in for a scalp, you go in for a scalp, catch some candlesticks and retrace. So guys, this is how this strategy works. Now let me show you how to set up this indicator. Rather, you go here, you add your fractals, and you add your moving average. So you add your fractals and you add your moving average. After adding the moving average, this is the settings for the moving average. The period is 45. The shift is 0, method exponential. You apply to close. The levels, there are no levels, and you can use any color. When you're done, you click on done. You go back, and the fractals has no settings, so it's just default. And once you're done, you click on done, go back to your chart and wait for your spike. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you want to join us. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Check on the link, the description of this video. You're going to find the link to our free Telegram group where we give signals, and also the VIP mentorship and the account management programs are up and running. So okay guys, so prior to the trade I showed you guys earlier on, we hit our TP. Here is where our TP was. 1 2, yeah, here's where our TP was set, and we smashed our TP and the market started rejecting. So now if you check down here, you see that when the market rejected, it got down to this level and respected this trend line. So now you see that the trend line is actually the right position. So if I'm going to be getting into this trade again, I'll have to wait. Hear me out. I'll have to wait for it to buy above this fractal. Once it buys above that fractal, then I can get into the trade. So guys, this is a working indicator and it's massive for us. So if you want to join the VIP, hit me up. If you want to join the mentorship class, of course we're running on a flat rate of $100. Okay, so you can hit me up. Let's start the classes so that you won't be late. So thanks for watching this video. I just had to make this part of the video so that you can see that price action works very well. It helps you to make right decisions in the market, and it also helps you to catch better spikes and also to scalp the better way. Of course, if I want to scalp, I won't be depending totally on indicators, but I'm going to apply more of price action, then just use the indicators to checkmate what I'm doing. Okay, but if I'm to take a decision, I will be taking a decision based on price action. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this video and you can use this on your demo well before you apply it on your live account. Okay, so hit me up. Let's make money together and stay rich together. See y'all. Bye.